100.
సార్ మీ వాయిస్ మ్యూట్ లో ఉంది సార్.
Okay, sorry. y1 of t equal to transformation of x1 of t that it becomes 2 times the x1 square of t, x1 square of x1 square of t. This is regarding first point. And the second point also write down y2 of t equal to y2 of t equals to, that is transformation of x2 of t, x2 of t, that becomes 2 times of x2 square of t, x2 square of t. Okay, first we will see the weighted sum of input, weighted sum of the outputs, y1 of t and y2 of t regarding the weighted sum of outputs. That's why some weighting I am applying for the y1 of t, that is a into y1 of t plus b into y2 of t, then it equal to writing these two, that is 2 times the, sorry, a is there, a is there, a into 2 times of x1 square of t, this is a small bracket I have taken, one bracket I have taken, plus b into, this is b again, x2 square of t. In these two, I'm taking a2 as a common, 2 times of a into x1 square of t plus b into x2 square x2 square of t. Okay, this is weighted sum of the output. This is regarding the output point, regarding the output. Regarding the weighted sum of the output, regarding the weighted sum of the inputs. What are the sum inputs we have? That is third one I am assuming, that is the third parameter, that is a some y3 of y3 of t equal to, that is transformation of inputs also I am applying, a into x1 of t plus b into x2 of t, this is of t, x1 of t and x2 of t. Here we can write it as transformation of and this one and this one. A is a one thing, transformation of x1 of t, that is 2 times x1 of square. Okay, first of all I have taken total thing. Okay, individually I can apply, that is a into transformation of transformation of x1 of t plus b into transformation of plus b into transformation of x2 of t x2 of t. A into transformation of x1 of t is nothing but 2 times of x1 square, that is 2 I am writing here, 2 times the 2 times the a into, ఓకే ఇట్లా స్మాల్ మిస్టేక్, ఇంకా టోటల్ రాయాలి కదా, ఇండివిజువల్ గా తీసుకుంటున్నాను. టోటల్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్ ఐ హావ్ టు రైట్, సారీ total transformation I have to write. For that one, I assume that this is entire thing is a function x of t, that is total thing is x of t, then 2 times that one I have to write, 2 times the square వస్తుంది, then a into x1 of t plus b into x2 of t, that thing is 2 times of x1 of square, x of t of x1 of t is there, that's why 2 times the x1 of square, total is a function, that's why whole square 2 times a x1 of t plus b x2 of t whole square, we are getting this one only. But in the output session what we are getting, this is a 2 times of 2 times of a into x1 square of t plus b into x square of t, whereas in the input case 2 times a1, 2 times of a into x1 of t plus b into x2 of t square whole square. Now these two are not equal, y3 of t not equal to y3 of t. Because of this condition, the system is non-linear. The system is non-linear, here it is. I consider y of t equal to 2 times of x square of t is a system, whether the system is linear or non-linear. Whether the system is linear or non-linear. Here y1 of t I consider first system, that is First part, y1 of t equal to transformation of x1 of t. That is nothing but based on the initial one, that is this one, 2 times of x1 square of t. Second system, y2 of t equal to t transformation of x2 of t, that is 2 times of x square of t. And output here, output weighted sum, that means first term is multiplied by a, second term is multiplied by b. Weighted sum for the output I am writing. All these are output equation, y1 of t and y2 of t. A into y1 of t plus b into y2 of t. Here a is a